I'm Jen Mango, and if you're watching this, this is Compensation 101. You're probably an ambassador, or you're thinking about becoming an ambassador for Plexus Worldwide Incorporated. If you are, or if you've already made that decision, you have made a great one. Let's get started so you can understand just how wonderful the compensation plan is with Plexus. So where do we find all of this information, first of all? The two best places to look for information are going to be one in your Plexus catalog. This can be ordered through your back office, and you also received one when you signed up as an ambassador. Here you can see the breakdown of all 11 steps that we'll be going through today. Second, the best thing to do is to find or Google from your back office the compensation plan summary chart. You can hard laminate this just like I did, carry a couple of copies with you so that whenever you're anywhere where you need to explain the comp plan, you have it ready and handy. So the first way that we're paid is through business builder bonuses. This is awesome because you can start building your business immediately and be paid as quickly as 1 week after starting your Plexus journey. For just $34.95, we can add ambassadors. For every ambassador that joins, there's a welcome pack that's offered with a one-time drastically reduced discount on all of our products. Those welcome packs are either $99 or $199. And for you as the sponsoring ambassador, you get to split that 50% with the company. A portion of that goes to you and a portion of that goes to your upline ambassadors as well. The second way we're paid is through a point system. A point system can be a little bit tricky, so let's see if we can figure it out together. Plexus points are paid for qualified ambassadors that are underneath you. What's a qualified ambassador? A qualified ambassador has $100 or more in PV each and every month. Points are basically profit sharing, and they're available to you on day one. They're paid 7 levels down, and they each have a dollar value. This varies based on the sales through corporate that we share with them, which is 50%, a pretty amazingly high statistic. There's also what we call a monthly accrual of these points, which really establishes your income because as you accrue those points, you're awarded additional money as you rank. We'll talk about rank later. Points are really the long-term financial stability of your ambassadorship. As you're growing your business, you're growing a team, and you're rewarded for each and every step along the way. The third and fourth way that you're paid through Plexus is through achievement bonuses. This is awesome. It's a one-time financial bonus as you ascend different ranks of ambassadorship. This can happen quickly for you as the first rank is silver with just 3 qualified ambassadors. As you move up in ranks, they're based on your points. For example, gold is 100 points, senior gold 250, ruby 500, and senior ruby 750 points. Now, if you reach those ranks in your first 30 days from becoming a Plexus ambassador, not only are you going to receive that one-time achievement bonus, it's doubled. More detailed information can be found here on your compensation chart and how to interpret and receive your points. In addition to these ranks, you are paid deeper in your organization through your levels. This again benefits you financially greatly. The next way we're paid is through personal volume, or the catchphrase PV. PV is your individual sales as well as your own purchases. This is awesome because you're paid commission on what you personally buy for yourself. We have 3 levels of pricing: wholesale, retail, and preferred. Wholesale is obviously offered to our ambassadors exclusively. Retail is offered to our general public, and preferred is what you really want to shoot for your customers. This gives them a discount as they receive product on auto ship once a month. Now you're paid 15 to 25% commission on your PV monthly. 15% of whatever you sell from $101 to $499. 25% on anything over $500. But guess what? That's retroactive back to the first $101. The first $100 is exclusive to the company, and you don't make PV on your first $100 in sales. This is all paid monthly, just like your one-time achievement bonuses. You also make personal volume override commission. This is 5% of PV from your first line of ambassadors. These are the people that you've personally enrolled. This number can grow over time to be quite a bit of money. This is paid monthly with your PV. You're also paid personal volume override commission. This is 5% of the commission of your personally sponsored ambassadors underneath you. Over time, this can really build up. This is also paid to you monthly with your personal commission sales. In addition, we have what's called preferred customer bonuses. These are the discounted products that we offer on AutoShip. We talked about retail, preferred, and wholesale pricing. Well, with preferred pricing, this gives your customer a discount while ensuring that they get their product every month. And in addition, it gives you a bonus on top of your commissionable sales. For example, our most popular product, the Slim Combo, is offered at preferred pricing at a $15 discount to your customer. But on top of that, you get an $18 bonus, including on top of your commission. This is offered every month that your customer is preferred. And if they purchase 3 combos a month, guess what? You get paid 3 times 18. This really adds up. In addition to all of these ways that we've talked about to be paid, as you grow your business and as you rank, you are offered an additional and very valuable source of income. Once you hit the rank of Emerald, Sapphire, and Diamond, additional percentage points are given and awarded to you based on the company's profitability. At the Emerald level, you receive 3% of that pool monthly. At Sapphire, you receive an additional 1%, or a total of 4%. And at Diamond, you receive an additional 1%, equaling 5%. Now also, once you're an Emerald, you qualify for the Plexus Lexus program. This is very exciting. Not only are you able to afford and build your income and financial base, but you are awarded a $500 or $1,000 car allowance through the Lexus Plexus program. This is incredible. And after all of this, as if it weren't enough, with trips and contests and other additional benefits and incentives that we haven't even discussed today, you have the opportunity, once you're at Diamond level, to re-enter as an ambassador under yourself. This allows you to double Diamond, to double your income, and to double your revenue source and generation. Let's tie all of this together now that we've gone through the 11 steps. For most of us, we could change our lives and the lives of our family with just $500 of extra income a month. So let's say in your first 30 days as a Plexus ambassador, you have 5 preferred customers. You have 3 personally qualified ambassadors, and each of those ambassadors sells $100 over their welcome pack. This is what your income would look like. For that $500 in PV that you sold, you would earn $100 in commission. This is 25% over the 101 up to 500. Then you would get a preferred bonus because those are 5 preferred bonus customers. That would be 5 times $18 equaling $90. You would have a builder bonus somewhere between $75 and up to $150 for those 3 personally qualified ambassadors when they purchase their welcome packs. In addition, you would earn 15 points, 3 times 5 for those ambassadors, and those would equal somewhere between $45 and $60 based on the pay point value for that month. Then on top of that, you would have, from those $300 of your personally sponsored ambassadors and the income that they sold in PV, you would have a 5% override equaling around $15. And if that weren't enough, you would have achieved rank as a silver ambassador, which included a $100 one-time achievement bonus. If you add all of that up, you make a minimum of $425 in 1 month and up to $510. So you might ask, what did I do the first 2 weeks as an ambassador for Plexus? At the end of July, I had sold over $1,600 in PV. I had several preferred customers, and I had signed up 6 personally sponsored ambassadors. This equaled $650 in my first check. What can you do?